basket, okay? Yeah, find them and pick them up and put them in your basket. Go ahead, they're everywhere. Just make sure you look for poo-poo, okay? Because there's some dog poo-poo in here.
He's like, oh.
Violet.
Don't pick it up.
Violet, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Okay, go ahead. Get your Easter basket, your Easter eggs.
Wow, you got one.
All right, find some more.
No, what day?
Okay, watch for poop. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You just have to look for poop.
You know, literally, just look for the egg.
Be gentle with them, baby, because they'll break. So you can't throw them. You have to be gentle when you put them in your basket. Okay. Okay.
You're supposed to put green stuff in the basket.
Yeah. Well. Anyways.
You just don't. That's why they don't work. Uh-oh.
Violet, can you look at Mama? Look at Mommy.
Actually, there's more fruit probably.
Yeah. That's. And plus, this is just there was kids over at the park at the time, and I didn't want them to mess with them. Yeah, that one's okay. The plastic ones are weirding her out.
Yeah, you colored those ones.
Violet, look at Mama.
She's cracking up.
I know.
What day?
Oh man, they're everywhere.